Okay students, now we will study the similarity in triangles or similar triangles. Now see here, you can see two triangles ABC and DEF. Okay, all the three angles you see, they are same. Angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. So all the three angles of these two triangles are same. Sides are not same. Furthermore, the sides are in proportion. That is, if you take AB upon DE, it will be equal to AC upon DF, which will be equal to BC upon EF. So all the three angles are same and all the three sides are in proportion. Then we say that the two triangles are similar. Now how to check whether the two triangles are similar? There are certain tests. You have already studied this in standard 9. This is just a revision, a recap. Test of similarity. First is AAA test. Suppose they have given you two triangles ABC and DEF, and from the figure you come to know that all the three angles are same. See, same symbols are made. Okay, so angle A is congruent to angle D, angle B is congruent to angle E, and angle C is congruent to angle F. This means that all the three angles of ABC are equal to the corresponding angles of DEF. So the triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by AAA test, because all the three angles are given. Second test is AA test. Again consider the two triangles. Now angle A is congruent to angle D and angle B is congruent to angle E. They have not mentioned anything about C and F. But it is common sense that if two angles are same, third angle has to be same. Why? Because third angle will be 180 minus the sum of the first two angles. Now triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by AA test. So even if two angles are given, you can write that it is AA test. And if all the three angles are given congruent, you will write AAA test. Next is the SSS test. Now these are the two triangles ABC and DEF. The sides are given. Now remove the ratio AB upon DE. We get 8 upon 12, that is 2 upon 3. Then BC upon AC upon DF, we get 4 upon 6, that is again 2 upon 3. Then BC upon EF is 10 upon 15, that is again 2 upon 3. So you can see that each of these ratios are 2 upon 3. That is AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF is equal to BC upon EF, which is equal to 2 upon 3. Which means that all the three sides are in proportion. So we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by SSS test of similarity. Nothing about the angles is given, but all the three sides they have given. So you can check if the sides are in proportion. Okay. And last is your SAS test of similarity. Again here two triangles are given. Now one angle is given. You can see that angle A and angle D are same. And the two sides which are making the angle, that is the two arms of the angle, their measurements are given. So you have to check that AB upon DE is equal to 10 upon 5, that is 2 upon 1. Okay. Then angle A is given equal to angle D, that is 70. And AC upon DF is equal to 12 upon 6, that is also 2 upon 1. So you can see that angle A and angle D are same, and the two sides which are making the angle, they are in proportion. That is AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF. So we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by SAS test. Okay. So come back in the group and note it down.